Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Let's Grow. I hope you are very fine and doing great in your life. So today's topic of discussion is armoring in gravel bed streams. So in this video lecture we will be discussing about the term armoring, and we will see that how this armoring phenomena happens in the gravel bed, rivers or streams. So let us start our discussion without any delay. The armoring occurs when the bed surface of gravel bed rivers is coarsened relative to the subsurface. So suppose this is the bed level of any of the river or stream. So here you can see these are the particles which are of surface layer particle. These are the surface layer particles. And below this surface layer particle there are a particle of subsurface layer. So here in this image you can easily see that these surface particles are coarsened with respect to the particles which are found in the subsurface. So this phenomena in which these surface particles are coarsened with relative to the subsurface is known as the armoring. So here also you can see that on surface of the river bed or stream bed you can see the coarser particle, and below this coarser particle or in the subsurface layer you will see the fine particles. Now how to measure the armoring in any of the gravel bed river? So for this we have defined the degree of armoring. The degree of armoring can be described by the armor ratio. So we can calculate the armor ratio as the ratio of d50 of the surface divided by the d50 of the subsurface. So here in this image you can see that initially what you have to do, you have to take a sample from the surface. Means you have to take this soil sample from the surface of the stream or river bed, and by doing the sieve analysis you have to calculate the d50 of the surface. D50 means a particle size such that 50% of particles are finer than this size. Then you have to excavate this, remove this surface, and you have to take another sample from the subsurface of the river bed, and again you have to do the sieve analysis for the subsurface of the subsurface material of the river or stream. So you will calculate the d50 for the subsurface, and if this d50 of surface is more than the d50 of subsurface, means the armor ratio is more than 1, then you can say that the armoring is present in the gravel bed stream. Now why this armoring is important? Because this armoring influences a number of factors, like it will affect the channel hydraulics, means the how a channel will behave whenever the water flow in this channel. The grains available for transport, because we have seen that the surface layer will be coarsened and only these particles will be available for transport, so it will affect the transport of grains. Also the hydraulic roughness, because of the undulations the hydraulic roughness will be influences. The bed permeability also will influences, and the living conditions for aquatic species will also influence because of the armoring. Now we will be discuss that how this armoring process happens in any of the river system. So in the first step the flow develops shear stresses which is less than required to move large particles but large enough to move fines. So in the initial stage, when the all size of particles are available on surface and the flow whenever the water flow, it will develop the shear stress, and the magnitude of shear stress will be such that it can easily move the finer particles, but it will unable to pick up or to transport the coarser particles. So with passage of time, what you will see, all those finer particles which are available on the surface will be transported, and these coarser particles will remain on the surface. So the flow entrains the fine particles and withdrawing from them from the bed surface. So from the bed surface, all those fine particles will be transported due to the shear stress, and these coarser particle will be on the same position because the shear stress is not big enough to transport these coarser particles. Now you will see that this coarser layer will form and the sheltering of fine grains. So you will see that this coarser particle will be there on the surface, and all those fine particles will be transported, and some of the finer particles will be sheltered by this coarser particle. So you can see here that some of the grains are here which is sheltered by these coarser particles, and this coarser layer increases resistance to entrainment. Means now for transportation of these finer particles, more shear stress value will be required, because now these smaller particle or finer particle is sheltered by the coarse particle. So more shear strength will be required to move these particles. So this is all about the armoring process in gravel bed stream. I hope you like this video. If you really like this, make sure you hit that like button. You can subscribe our channel Let's Grow for more informative videos. Again, thank you so much to watch this lesson till the end. Okay, take care, bye bye. And one more information, that you can check out the description box. If you want to be a part of our WhatsApp group, the link is given in the description. Please check out. Also, you can connect me on your LinkedIn. My LinkedIn profile link is given in the description. You can check out from there. So thank you so much to watch this lesson till the end. Okay, take care, bye bye.